Today's Saturday. I wasn't gonna do anything, but I gotta do 2 tires on my trailer. Oh yeah, I still gotta finish washing the trailer. You can tell. Yeah, I'm still gonna. I think I'm going back to work on Wednesday. Let's get in down there. I got these tires for free. I think I got almost 2 years out of them. They were like 40-50%. I got like 2 years out of them, so I'm about to swap out some brand new ones. And the other tires are almost new. These drop axle ones are coming up too. I had bad kingpins, so it kind of ate out the outs. It was the inside, but I swapped them out and turned them around. Still like, I don't know, 50%, 60% tire. But I think they're kind of starting to flatten themselves out. Yeah, so those 2 are the worst ones I got. I could still run them, but these ones are a couple more months out of these. By around the summertime, change them. It's my old Michelin steer. Had bad wear also on the inside, outside. But we'll sand them and I'll just throw 2 new ones on here as well. So let's get to it. So the impact, Milwaukee 1/2 inch. Sometimes if they haven't been touched in a while, it won't break them all loose. I've been lucky. 1 or 2 barely broke loose. So I got this impact multiplier. Since I don't have my truck here, we'll use this if we can't break anything loose. So let's go. Let's see what it's gonna do. Got him. I haven't touched these like in 2 years, so. Okay, got him. Wow. 2 years I haven't touched these. So far, so good. What happened? The heck just happened? Wow, something happened to my gun. No way. Let's see if we can. What the heck? I think my gun just died. No freaking way. And I'm over here. Wow. I'm over here trying to advertise Milwaukee for free. Yeah, my impact just died. Oh, might have got locked out because I have the blue key. That's probably what happened. Yeah, I gotta log in the app and link them together. So hang tight. So we're back. No, it wasn't the Bluetooth, even though sometimes it does make you connect to the Bluetooth, but I think it's the battery blinking. I thought I had it charged. Well, I'll tell you what, we broke so far 3 or 4 on a bad dead battery, so I'm gonna go charge up the battery and I'm sure these will fly up on out of here. Might not even, fingers crossed. I'll be back. So while I'm waiting for my battery to charge for the impact gun, I'm gonna try to take these hook bolts out for the new visor going in, and I don't want to ruin this bracket, so I'm gonna drill these out one by one. I guess some people grind them off, shave them off. I'm just gonna. I think it's gonna be a lot nicer and cleaner. Just gotta sand down the roof. Hopefully the battery takes like 4 hours to charge. So since stainless steel is a pretty hard metal, it's not like aluminum or even steel. I started the smallest drill bit that was available to me. I use Milwaukee because I get the best life out of them, and I've drilled a lot of things. So far, I like Milwaukee the best. I got I forgot what it is, some kind of titanium mix or something. So 15 times the life, and it's true. This is I'm on my second set, and I've done a lot of things on my trailer, on the truck. Worth the money. So keep going. Low speed recommended in stainless steel. I just learned that the hard way. Zoom in. So let's keep going. I'm probably gonna get to this bit because I just gotta get it to the 3/16. Where's 3/16? Over here behind. That's how thick these hook bolts are. So next size up, it just glides through. About that slow speed stuff, you gotta do it on when you first, like the first holes, and it actually goes pretty smooth after that. So we got them all out. Oh shoot, this one, never mind, I gotta get this one out. It's the last one. And the new visor is gonna mount here. I already got the polished hooks, stainless steel hooks, and then I'm still deciding which one I should put it here, because I have the aluminum ones as well. Either aluminum one. I think I might put the polished ones because they look pretty cool. It might not match the rest, but I think it'll match. I know I have to put a polished one. Never mind, I have to use a polished one here because that's where the visor is going to be. So yeah, for 3/16 hug bolts, polished stainless steel. Let's see, where do I have them? Oh, I got them in my car. Let's see. Yeah, I got them in the car. I have them in here. So I'm waiting to do the lights on the roof because I'm going to have to put the bolts and nuts through here on the inside, and then I got to rivet the visor. So I haven't done. Then after that, I'll put the interior back together. Just take a couple hours. It's not that hard. Or I guess I could say it's easier to take it apart than put it back together. But I'm ready to put it back together. Ready to drive this thing. Okay, we got the battery recharged. Drill working, or impact working. Fully charged. Setting 4. Got him. Ready to do that one. Milwaukee, I need a sponsor. Look at this, every single one. And you need a big old. Every single one. Milwaukee. I forgot which. Let's see, which one is this? This is the. Oh man. I don't remember which one. which model, because there's a couple different models for the 1.5 impact. I'll put it in the description below. But look at this. This year, all winter, I've been driving through snow, ice. You saw the trailer. The trailer is, I don't want to talk about it, how bad it was. And this impact just took off 3 or 4 with the bad, almost dead battery, and then these just came off without even a struggle. So I highly recommend getting one of these, having it with you on the road. I have one. I carry it with me when I'm in the truck every time, just in case. I don't know why. I don't even have a spare tire with me ever, but I need to carry one so I can change it out. It's so easy. So I got the tires off, or I mean the rims. And dang that. Everybody knows how to take rims off. Then you need this little tool to take the nipple out of the tires, so you let all the air out faster. I got the special tool, because you gotta drain the air out to be able to take the tires off the rim. Oh man, I'm ready to do this with one hand. So we got some air in the tires. About to mount them up. Take those and recycle them, not dump them like everybody else does. Who knows where? Truck stops, and yeah, they're pretty. Some would still say I can get some miles out of them. They actually look worse. This one's almost. Yeah, that's why I'm getting new ones. Those did me good though. I got them for free from Andre from Grade 8 Truck Repair in Seattle. I highly recommend them if you're ever in Seattle. Use the guy. He'll hook you up. You just get him for free. So I'm not gonna be doing the boring part, mounting them. Y'all know how that goes. With my Milwaukee 1/2-inch impact gun. Finished product. All tight, torqued. So a guy didn't believe me that Milwaukee impact can tighten these up to like 550 pounds of torque. So he took out his torque wrench and Went through every single one. Oh, I did my steers, and he didn't believe me that gun can torque it. He went both sides. Only one nut wasn't, like, he barely half a click. He tightened it. All the other 19 were tightened to 550 pounds of torque. And yeah, so that thing, because in the settings, when you go hook it up to Bluetooth, and on the phone through the app, you can choose the torque settings. So I have it set at 600. They recommend 450, I think, to 550 or something like that. But I tighten it, and I don't let it sit, you know, for 2 minutes. I just tighten it up once or twice. It gets harder, I'll let go. So I'm sure it can up to 600. You can let it sit for a couple more seconds, and then you get your 600. So I'm about 550 pounds of torque, so it's not too bad. All this took me, I don't know, an hour, because I had to go back to the house and put air in these tires. So that's that. Some say, why do it yourself, you know? Well, I don't have my truck here, first of all, and then if I was going to go to Les Schwab, I get these tires at a really good deal from one of my buddies that owns a tire shop. He gives me a deal because I buy a lot of tires, and my brother buys a lot of tires. So Les Schwab would probably sell these tires at $380, $400 probably. I got these at $290, and then I'd have to go to Les Schwab. There's probably a line, sit in line for an hour or something, and then the guys that do it, it takes them an hour to get warmed up, and then an hour to break them loose, and literally it took me, if you do all that, add up all the time, it took me an hour to do them. You guys saw it takes me like 5 minutes that's at the high end to take the tire off the rim, 3 minutes to set it.